Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again in euro currency. So here you can see the market actually moving with our trading plan. As we suggested, some reaction to 104.55, 104.60 area as a first test of the possible bearish power. This market mostly has touched 104.50 on Friday. It has happened just briefly, but still the confluence area on the intraday charts has been tested. At the same time, since we're coming to the end of the year, chances on a deeper retracement or higher retracement still exist, just because investors will minimize the open positions before the holidays. And that could lead for more extended performance on euro currency as well. So here we have to control the situation around the confluence area on the intraday charts. This is the first reason. Second reason is the overall performance here. So on the weekly chart in particular, market was able to just break these lows and keep going lower. But this hasn't happened. So market stops. So here we see that this was daily oversold. But in fact, on the weekly chart, there was no oversold. So market just stopped here. So I will show you. So you can see what has happened. Market just has shown the testing of the lows and returned it back up. Which means that it's not the technical reasons for a bit higher upward bounce. So maybe market will stay inside of the flag. It will not break the overall bearish tendency that we have. But by these two reasons, the pullback might be more extended. And on the daily chart, it could mean the action back to the 107 area. So retesting of this level. On the cross-market analysis, this might be seen from the dollar index. And actually on the euro currency, you could see the same. So you could see that here we also have bullish reversal session. On the dollar index, it looks more impressive. It's just because market has challenged the top already. So on the euro currency, we haven't got any breakout. But on the dollar index, it has happened, and you can see what has happened recently. So market creates the minor new top and closed below the lows of the previous session. This potentially bearish session for the dollar and correspondingly bullish session for the euro currency. So taking it all together, we should be extra careful for taking the short positions as we suggested on the euro currency. So for now, the shape of the butterfly remains intact and market indeed could start downward action here, but we should keep a close eye what will happen around it. So on the full time frame chart, in particular confluence, and take a look. This is kind of the natural support resistance area. To keep our bearish setup valid, market should not break it too much. So supposedly it should stay somewhere below 104.90, 105 area. So some flirting around it we could accept, but we should not get the breakout and actually return back above this natural resistance area. If market will return it back above it, it increases chances of the further upward action, as I said. So the flirting around this area might be necessary to complete the hourly double bottom. So target stands around 104.97. So market maybe needs some space to complete it. And that's the reason why we give it space to the market. But at the same time, as I said, the breakout should not be too significant. How it would be better to deal with the current situation? Well, the best case, if you're able to do this, you could drop your time frame to the 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and start watching there for bearish patterns. So if we will see that somewhere around this confluence forming bearish pattern, the butterfly, head and shoulders, double top, free drive, or whatever, triple to sell, we could try to use it because risk will be very small. If even market later will break it up, as you understand, on the 15-minute chart, the stops will be placed very close. So it might be 15 pips, maybe 20 pips. But if you're not sure that you could catch the proper pattern to do this. Theoretically, you could try to take the short position here, because at the first touch, confidence area will be relatively strong to trigger minor reaction, technical reaction here to the downside. And you have to use it for moving stops to the break-even. Because if we will be right, market will reestablish downward action. If we will be wrong, market will challenge this level again and could break it on the second challenge. That's why this is vital on the first touch if you will take the short position with the minor response to this level to move stops to the break-even. Chances on this response is relatively significant because, as you can see, resistance level looks rather strong. So in most cases, this happens. This are actually two ways to act. A most conservative approach is to wait when the downward action will already start and then trying to jump in on the minor pullback. So, but at what level this will happen currently it's difficult to predict. So that in towards the plan for coming week. Next week will be the Christmas holiday. So guys, maybe not every session we will provide the update for the market. Supposedly on the 26th of December, it's a really high chances that nothing will be to update. So maybe we will skip this session. I will see whether it will be something to talk about or not. But in general, we will try to provide updates every time when something interesting will be. So that's actually what we have currently. Let's see what will happen in the 2 sessions until the Christmas.